This is how God showed His love among us. He sent His one and only Son into the world that we might live through Him. This is love, not that we loved God, but He loved us and sent His Son as an atoning sacrifice for our sins. You know, sa buhay Kristiyano natin, mahirap talaga magiging busy, mapapagod. Pero kung lagi nating aalalahanin at lagi nating i-recognize kung papaano at kung gaano tayo minamahal at mamahalin ng Panginoon, all of those things, yung kapaguran, yung panlalamig sa Panginoon, may iwasan yan. Kaya ang reminder sa atin, lagi at lagi nating i-recognize, i-acknowledge ang pagmamahal ng Panginoong Jesus para sa ating lahat. Yun lang. God bless you.